Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set up automatic discounts for your store in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website if you have not already. So go right here to shopify.com, and after opening it up, the first home page you're going to be greeted by, you can go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. So if you do not already have a Shopify account, just go and sign up for one. If you have one, log in. And once you're logged in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, we can get started setting up our store. And at the left side of the screen, we can find all the sections we can go ahead and access for managing our store. We have home, orders, products, and so on. And you can take a look at one of the sections is going to be called the discounts. Discounts is what you want to go ahead and open up. After opening up the discounts page, here you can go ahead and take a look at all the discounts you have already applied to your store, and you can go ahead and create new ones by clicking create discount right here in the upper right corner. So you're going to click create discount, and this is now going to go ahead and enable you to select what kind of discount you want to use. So you can go ahead and discount the total order amount and so on. So you can go ahead and set up your automatic discounts right here, offer free shipping on an order, and from here you can go ahead and select that you want an automatic discount. So by clicking automatic, this is now going to automatically apply to every order if it meets the criteria that you set up right here. So after that, just click save, and once you save it, it's going to add the discount to your menu right here, and the discounts are going to be automatically applied. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.